This is not an April Fool's Day joke. Full sincerity here, no BS. I thought, perfect time for that fucking sound, innit, you cunts. Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to today's episode. Now, fucking serious with that. Safe at home. Before this episode starts, please hit the like button. I have no idea if it's there, by the way. Maybe it's there. Oh, ooh, damn. That was like a re-burp of the first burp. It was like a redo because the first one wasn't sufficient. Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to today's episode. And this right here is the best of 2019.
Oh yeah, there you go. The equivalent of a unicorn dropping this on my face.
Kawasaki Real Motorsports.
Me! Woo! Oh my word, that's a thrill. Coming over the crest, bit of a wobble. Oh, you know, that'll wake you up.
Yo, 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 say bye to Chang Circuit, Chang International Circuit. Say hello to Noon. Noon! Ah!
It's all round a very capable package.
But I want to run over some of the questions that you guys have asked.
You're gonna climb on me, are ya? Hello? Wait, okay, alright. Oh, fucking hell. Should call this losing my shit while riding a Super Duke.
Look at me now, I'm strapped up like a lesbo. Look, like a lesbo. Look, I got GoPro, I got the bit on the bag, I got the other bit on the bag, like a lesbo. So 2019 was the year that I learned to wheelie. Not only did I wheelie, I put a selfie stick on my bike, stuck a GoPro on it, started driving up the road back and down while this like basically javelin was sticking out. Things got a little bit mad. Just put a nut on. I don't know. Being way. And yeah, of course, demonetization kicked in. 2019 was also the year I was finally able to do a proper track day. I hit up Chang International Circuit, the destination of speed, the 300 kilometer an hour, if your bike can do it, my bike can't, track, the amazing, crazy track. Chang International Circuit is like top circuits, guys, man. It's F1 grade circuits, and it's a MotoGP circuit. Marc Marquez Rossi, they're all going to this circuit, and I was able to do so as well. Not only did I actually do a track day there, I actually participated in a race. I did qualifying, qualified 7th and finished the race in 6th. There was 36 people in that race. MT10s, MT09s, MT07s, everyone with ECU flashes, Olin suspension, and pretty much everyone had done that race and that Yamaha championship at various circuits before that day. I just jumped in and finished 6th. So that was crazy, probably my biggest highlight of the year. Another one of my biggest highlights of 2019 was the Hypermotard. See what I did there? Highlights. Hypermotard 950. That bike was awesome. Really beautiful bike. I did 2 days. I went down to Pattaya, and from Bangkok, I did 2 days on that bike, and quite frankly, awesome bike. It was a wicked bike. Very torquey, very supermoto feeling. It feels a lot more like a supermoto than any other Hypermotard. Had an awesome time, and yeah, crazy stuff went down. Check this out.
Pickup, look, he's on the pickup. He's just climbing on the pickup as he's driving along. Oh, fuck me. I just seen one jump out the back of it as well.
2019, I also got shat on.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. Fuck off, man. I was about to say the crow is like the bike, but they just shat on it. Pooed on the bike.
And I got attacked by a monkey.
Monkeys. Just yamming on a plastic bag. Hello. You're not gonna climb on me, are ya? Hello. Wait, okay, alright. Oh, fucking hell.
Also, I was able to try out one of my dream bikes, probably the dream bike, and ride the KTM Super Duke. Awesome bike, and had an absolutely sick time. And of course, wheelies did happen. .360 video. I bought a GoPro Hero Max. Started getting creative with angles, you know. There was this one clip I did when I was like zoop to the clutch, to my back. It was crazy, you know. What you can do with a 360 camera kind of blew my mind. I hope you guys like the footage from the 360 cam. Of course, no year would be complete without a load of reviews. I reviewed the ZX6R. Reviewed the Honda CB1000R, among other bikes. Talking about my reviews as well, I did review a Harley Davidson 48, the first time I've ever rode a Harley Davidson, so that was pretty cool. It was a very different feeling. I wouldn't say it's for me, and I don't think the value is there if I'm 100% honest with it, but if it's the kind of bike that you like, go for it, because it definitely had this kind of, okay.
I like the way the engine's just kind of like bobbing and weaving underneath me, you know, going and coming back. It's nice. It's a characterful, very characterful. Just the engine itself gives the bike a load of character.
So that just about wraps it up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a montage of extreme stupidness. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. There was some real highlights in 2019. If you like this video, please like below. This is super important. because it's going to help the algorithm to get me the fuck up there. Do you know what I'm saying? So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next episode. Motoman out.